Somebody asked me, Chris, what's the real world advantage of cloud computing? It's self-explanatory, even from the definition. Cloud computing is delivering of various services like data, database, networking, software, storage, and analysis. Like a whole lot of things, a whole lot of services you are rendering. Now, to better break this down, let's use two people as an example, Henry and Joy. These two people, they have a software company. You understand? And obviously, you are going to need storage because you are keeping some things somewhere. The pictures, the videos, the music, the whole lot of things, you are keeping it somewhere. So you need storage. Then you need processing power to process all those things. Now, in your container, you need coolant like fan. Good. Now, you need a whole lot of things. Then you need IT guys checking all these things. Oh, hope these things are working well. Hope, you need that too. And don't forget that you need like a container or like a place, a big building that you're going to put all these things there. There'll be cables, there, power. There must be power. And basically, you are going to have computer in this place. And it's not this our normal computer. If any of you have been to a mining farm before, all those crypto mining farm, you understand what I'm saying very well. Now, Henry has all those that he has like a building where he put all his storage and all these things so that his software company can be running. And Joy, she actually embraced cloud computing. Now, here's the thing. If someday or anything happened to that premise that Henry is putting his stuff, let's say fire or natural disaster, Henry is done for. The data of his customers, it's gone. Everything is gone. That's one. Two, if let's say Henry has 10,000 customers and 1 month, because the software created is doing very well and the customer just jumped from 10,000 to like 5,000. And the storage Henry is having is for like say 15,000 customers. So that means immediately the customers, they jump up like that. Henry is done for. He's done for because the software will be down. Now he will be losing customers. So we'll have to go and buy more storage, extra storage to accommodate the 50,000. Let me give another example. I'll still go back to Henry and Joy. Do you watch Rogue Nation? Mission Impossible Rogue Nation 2015, Tom Cruise. If you remember very well, they need to go and thief something. So, waiting at the column, Tom Cruise jump inside the water to go and thief something. That thing that Tom Cruise took is what we called storage. And the company that they stole that thing from, they're having their physical storage, their physical data center in their premises. So Tom Cruise just jump inside and go and steal it. I didn't mean those people, they are using cloud computing. That thing can never, ever, ever happen. The reason you actually jump inside that water is because they're using that water as a coolant. If you remember, I talked something like I spoke about coolant when I was talking. That's their own coolant. Hope you are getting it now. There is no company, even if you have a website and you have hosting, the company that is hosting your website, they still have all these things somewhere. Some of them are even using cloud computing that you don't know. They are using Azure, they are using AWS. Some of them are using Google that you don't know. You get? So now, but Joy, the other way around, Joy, she's using cloud computing. My own kind of person. She's using cloud computing. Now, if for some reason our customer base just jump from 10,000 to 50,000, there's something we call load balancing. Everything don't balance with that. If let's say our customer moved from 50,000, probably she had some issues and the customer, they reduce in size, move from 50,000 to 30,000. Our cost will reduce. All processing units she's using, the processing, what she was using for 50,000 will not be the same she's using for 10,000 customers. So it will reduce by default. She doesn't need to do anything. If customer increases, she doesn't need to do anything. If fire catches anywhere, it doesn't affect her. She's doing well. She work, they go. Tom Cruise, like when I say Tom Cruise, any person cannot just come to the storage area and come and steal. Anybody cannot just come there and come and steal anything. To pay the IT guys to be increasing the storage or power to power these things. All these things, the cost is very, very high. Very, very high. If your customers increase, you have to buy more storage. In cloud computing, you don't need to do that. Everything is already done for you. See, AWS, Microsoft Azure, they have availability zones all around the country. In fact, they have in Africa. Though we don't have it in Nigeria. They have it in South Africa. So even if anything happens to any of the availability zones, say fire catch the place, it doesn't affect your work. It does not affect your work. Even if the one where the US, then bomb bam, the one the way they South Africa, then bomb bam, nothing will do your work. So it's cheaper, it's faster, it's easier, it's more convenient. You have less people that are going to be paying, you have less worry. Your consumption, power electricity consumption, you are not even paying for power electricity because you don't understand. And another thing, you can easily move your data, your customer, like you can easily move your data, your database to another place. See, it just make everything easy for you. Like everything is just done for you. So now, I think I've explained this thing very well, why companies are now embracing cloud computing. Thank you.